Sometimes you may see a font maybe in a book or on a poster that you'd like to use for your own work, but don't know what the font is. There's an easy way to find out. If you just take a picture of the font itself, upload it into Photoshop, get a selection tool, I'm using the rectangular marquee, and just make a selection of an area of the font you wish to use. I've highlighted it there. If I go to the menu, type match font. The match font box comes up and it searches for the fonts that match this. After a few seconds the fonts will come up. There we go. At the top here, ones with stars, these are the fonts that are in Photoshop, and just below that, fonts available on Adobe to download, so we can pick fonts from there. Once you're happy, you can just highlight one, press OK, and your font is ready to use.